world is crumbling piece by piece.
And thanks to Donald Trump, it's only going to get worse.
Donald Trump wants to dismantle the Paris Agreement, a treaty between the United Nations to protect the Earth from climate change by preventing greenhouse gas emissions.
Donald Trump has appointed Rex Tillerson for Secretary of State, former CEO of ExxonMobil. Therefore, he is going to be in favor of non-renewable energy sources.
He also signed a bill that abolished Obama's stream protection policy, which prevented coal dumping in U.S. streams.
According to Engadget, the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency faces a 70% funding cut with the new president now in office, which will reduce their budget from $95 million to $29 million. This makes it even more difficult for the U.S. to prevent greenhouse gas emissions into the environment.
Trump appointed Scott Pruitt as the EPA administrator even though he does not believe in climate change.
What if I cared about my world? What if I wanted to make a change?
What is climate change, and what will you do to help?
States contributes 5% of the world's population and 22% of the world's carbon emission.
Did you know that every time carbon dioxide is released, the Earth warms, causing Arctic ice to melt and for sea levels to rise?
Humans are utilizing carbon dioxide more than this world has ever seen.
More than 20% of the carbon released in the environment is due to deforestation and improper land use.
Global warming is making our current droughts and heat waves more than 5 times more intense.
If we ignore the emission problem in our country, all ice will melt, thus increasing the sea level by 100 to 160 feet.
But why hasn't our government recognized it as a global issue?
America's capitalistic society does not want to invest in saving our planet. Why would they? Their companies are worth so much more to them.
Many politicians try to undermine scientific facts during nationally televised events, such as elections and interviews.
With these challenges, what can we do?
Use public transportation,
Take less airplane trips,
Use an electric car.
eat less meat,
install solar panels, and most importantly,
Speak up and voice your thoughts as citizens so others are encouraged to do the same.
Only you can make a difference. And what will you do?